Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to insert a saved circuit into the drawing. Then we will learn how to save the circuit as a WBLOCKED circuit. And in the end, we will learn how to insert the WBLOCKED circuit into the drawing. To start with, you can see here a new drawing with the name C07 underscore tut05 is created in the tutorials folder of the CADCIM project. Now before inserting saved circuit, let us first insert a three-phase ladder into the drawing. To do so, make sure that the schematic tab is chosen and then in the insert wires wire numbers panel, click on the insert ladder drop-down and choose the insert ladder tool. The insert ladder dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, let us select the three-phase radio button as we have to insert three-phase ladder. Then make sure 0.5 is displayed in the spacing edit box. After that, enter 0.5 in this spacing edit box. Then enter 100 in the first reference edit box. Now let us specify number of rungs as 12 in the rungs edit box. Then click in the length edit box to calculate the length of the ladder. Then choose the OK button. You are now prompted to specify start position of first rung. Enter 3,18 in the command prompt and press enter. You will notice that three-phase ladder is inserted into the drawing. Next, to insert the saved circuit, go to the insert components panel and then click on the insert circuit drop down and choose the insert saved circuit tool from this drop down. The insert component dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, click on the user circuit 22. As a result, the insert component dialog box is closed and the circuit scale dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, we need to specify the scale for the circuit to be inserted. Let us retain 1 in the custom scale edit box and choose the OK button. The saved circuit is attached to the cursor and you are prompted to specify the insertion point. Move the cursor and place the saved circuit on the extreme left vertical bus of the ladder at reference number 100. In this way, the saved circuit is inserted into the drawing. We now need to save the circuit as a WBLOCKED circuit. To do so, type WBLOCK in the command prompt and then press enter. On doing so, the right block dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, choose the pick point button from the base point area. The dialog box is temporarily closed and you are prompted to specify the insertion base point. To specify the insertion base point, click on the extreme left of the vertical bus at reference number 100. The right block dialog box is displayed again with the coordinates displayed here in these edit boxes. Now let us choose the select objects button to specify the objects to be included in the WBLOCKED circuit. Again, the dialog box is closed and you are prompted to select objects. Now zoom out and select the entire circuit in the drawing like this and press enter. The right block dialog box is displayed again. Next, go to the destination area and in the file name and path edit box, write custom block as the name of the WBLOCK and notice the location for the WBLOCKED circuit. It is in the documents folder. If you want, you can change the location using this browse button. Otherwise, retain this location. Choose the OK button. Now the selected objects are converted to WBLOCKED circuit and the circuit is saved at the specified location. Now let us insert this saved WBLOCKED circuit into other drawing. To do so, go to the drawing list in the CADCIM project list and open C07 underscore tut03 drawing. Next, to insert the WBLOCKED circuit, go to the Insert Components panel, click on the Insert Circuit drop down and choose the Insert WBLOCKED circuit tool from this drop down. The Insert WBLOCKED circuit dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, in the Look in drop down list, go to the location where we have saved the WBLOCKED circuit. We have saved the circuit in the Documents folder. So go to C Users, Username, Documents. This is the circuit that we have saved. Then choose the Open button. Now the circuit scale dialog box is displayed where you need to mention the scale for the W-blocked circuit to be inserted. Retain 1 in the custom scale edit box so that the scale of the circuit will be 1 only, and then choose the OK button. Now the W-blocked circuit is attached to the cursor. You are now prompted to specify the insertion point. So let us specify 17, 18 in the command prompt and then press enter. You can see now the saved W-block circuit is inserted into the drawing at the specified location. Now press Ctrl plus S to save the drawing. Go to C07_205 drawing and save this drawing also by pressing Ctrl plus S. So that is all in this video. Now you know how to insert a saved circuit into the drawing. You also know how to save the circuit as a W-blocked circuit and how to insert the W-blocked circuit into the drawing. Thank you for watching the video.